Good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you people are following the event that is playing out in Kano. Before now, that was when former Ganduje was the governor of Kano State. I don't know the issue he had with Sanusi, the Emir of Kano. He dethroned him. And Sanusi moved to Nasarawa State, from Nasarawa State to Lagos. Later, Ganduje installed Aminu Ado Bayero as the new Emir of Kano State. While Emir of Kano State, the former Emir of Kano State, Alhaji Muhammadu Sanusi II, was in Lagos State. Ganduje is no more in office. Today, we have Abba in office, Yusuf Abba in office. And as soon as he came in, one of the changes that he made, the governor, they have this power to fire and appoint. They have the power reside in the governor. I believe that is why we are still talking about empowering of the local government, one of the third tiers of government, the local government. I believe that if we have the local government system, this type of issue won't emanate. Okay, let me continue. As soon as Yusuf entered office, he removed Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, who is the current Emir of Kano State. As at the time Yusuf came in, he removed him from office and now installed the former Emir of Kano, Alhaji Muhammadu Sanusi II. And this is now causing serious issue in Kano State today. Kano is not what you think it is as at this moment, because there are so many news that is coming out from Kano after the dethronement of the former Emir Ado Bayero. So my question this night is, who actually is the Emir of Kano State? Is it Aminu Ado Bayero or Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II? Because the both of them are still parading as the Emir. You see, this is why we needed the third tier of government, which is the local government, because I believe that issues like these are supposed to be handled by the local government. The state government will always look for the person that he likes. Once you are not liked by the governor of the day or the government of the day, forget about it. Yes, it is happening everywhere, including in Rivers State. Yeah. So there is need to separate the local government from the state government. Now, what we are having in Kano today is Abuja Emir of Kano and Kano Emir of Kano. There is a great battle now going on in Kano State between Abuja Emir and Kano Emir. The federal government is like supporting the federal Emir, which is the Abuja Emir, while the state government is now supporting the Kano Emir. Who is the rightful owner of that seat? That is why we tagged this video, The Crash of the Thrones. Who is the Emir of Kano State as at this moment? Because we heard that the both of them are still there. Who actually is the Emir? You can see security operatives. They are in Kano. Because what is supposed to be a sacred something, emirship or kingship is not something that you have to politicize. No. But today in Nigeria, my country, Nigeria, everything is about politics. Yeah. They now do politics because what I saw that is happening, playing out in Kano State today is 2027, if you don't know. I don't know what you guys think about this video. Just drop a comment. Thank you.